Scott Leonard, Gomioji Drones. Today is part 2 of the DJI RC Pro 2. We are going to be setting it up, pairing it to my Air 3S, and giving it a test flight. Let's get started. All right, we've completed the unboxing in part 1 of the DJI RC Pro 2. Now, the second step was to go ahead and update the system and then to pair it to my Air 3S, and then we'll take it out for a test flight. So we're going to go ahead and begin that process. And I love it's like a tablet. So we're going to go ahead and select DJI Fly, and we're going to go to Profile. Oh no, we're going to go to Connect to Aircraft. So we will take out the Air 3S, and we're going to go ahead and connect to the aircraft. Okay, and we are going to go to the DJI Air 3S. We are going to download the resources for that. While this is updating, I found out that the DJI Care Refresh does not apply to the RC Pro 2, or from what I understand, any of the controllers. It's only for the aircraft. So that being the case, I did find out that DJI offers a 1-year warranty. What does that entail? I didn't dig that deep. I just know that DJI does warranty this controller for 1 year. So hopefully I won't have any issues with it and it all works fine. And DJI will at least warranty manufacturer, I'm assuming, warranting defects for a year. I've never had a problem with DJI Care Refresh or anything. They've taken care of me in the past, and I would think that they would continue to do so. So we're set up, and we're going to go back out, connect to aircraft, Air 3S, confirm switching, which this has never been connected that I know of to any other aircraft. So firmware updated. It's searching for the aircraft. It's probably going to tell me it can't find it. Press and hold the button for 3 to 4 seconds. Yep, unable to connect to the aircraft. Hold the power button for 4 seconds or until it beeps. Aircraft beeped. I'm going to pair that aircraft with this controller, and we're in. Connection successful. I'm going to change the bound device. Change the bound device. Next, confirm. Binding successful. Fantastic. Just in case there's a flyaway situation, as many of you may know, that for Care Refresh to replace the drone on a flyaway situation, it must be bound to the controller that you were using at the time. If not, I'm afraid that they would not honor any Care Refresh warranty. So I'm going to skip the pre-flight, and I want larger text because my eyes aren't as good. And I want to enable aircraft sense. And it appears as though I have successfully updated the controller for the Air 3S, and I have bound the controller to the aircraft, and everything looks good so far. I have it on bypass, normal. I want the radar map, optimal return to home. That is one thing I need to do, is I need to set this to Imperial, and I want auto return home 131, update the home point, no AR settings, max altitude 393, distance. And as far as that's done, we are ready to test. There is one thing, control. Button customization. I like the C1 to be cruise control. And C2, I want the gimbal to center tilt down the gimbal. So that is my C2. Now the 5D button, we can also configure that. And again, I've never looked at this before. So the 5D down right now says switch to lens with low zoom. Up is switch to lens with high zoom. Focus track is left. Right is playback. Mid is camera settings. And so far, I'm pleased with the controller. The screen brightness, which is something I struggled with on the RC2 when I'm outside in bright sunlight. This is amazing. It can go extremely bright, and we'll go ahead and take this party outside and give it a spin. Okay, this is the outside test flight. Come on, Max. Have my test flight assistant with me today, and we're going to go ahead and place the aircraft. Max, back here. Come here. Stay. Okay, here we go. We're going to go ahead and take off. Home point is updated. All right, the controls feel just like a RC2. Well, the controls are a little touchy. I might have to go in and adjust that. All right, so far so good. Not a problem with the control sensitivity, but it is something that I'm going to have to practice with. That works. I have a neighbor who is getting ready. Max, stay. And we're going to go ahead and see if we can't get onto him. We'll do a spotlight. Let's do a active track on him. Hey, I'm sorry. Hey, how you doing? I'm sorry. Max!
He's gonna break his neck trying to get that toy.
Oh, I know. He's out in the road. He don't care. All right. So far, so good. We'll turn that off. One thing I noticed is on the left controller, up and down, the travel on the stick seems limited on the up compared to the down. The down seems to have more travel to it than the up. Yeah, it does. I don't know what... Everything looks good. I'm happy with the purchase, the controller. No worries, and I would recommend it. You can just go on eBay and search it out yourself and find one. I got one where I didn't have to pay any additional tariffs or taxes or anything, and it was free shipping. So they're out there. If you want one, eBay is an option, and it's the one that I use and I'm happy with. So, all right, well, that concludes today's part 2 of the DJI RC Pro 2, and it's all good. Thanks for watching. See you next time.